Tired of tilling? The EarthWay 6500 cultivator might be your answer. Is backbreaking garden work getting you down? We're diving deep into the EarthWay 6500 High Wheel Cultivator to see if it's the solution you've been searching for. The EarthWay 6500 is a manual high wheel cultivator designed for home gardeners, small farmers, and organic growers. It aims to simplify soil preparation, weeding, and furrowing. This tool boasts a 24-inch steel wheel, adjustable handles, and quick-change implements. It promises versatility and durability for various gardening tasks. This cultivator comes with 3 implements for multiple uses, including plowing, cultivating, and furrowing. The quick-change system allows for easy tool adjustments. The EarthWay 6500 features an all-steel construction and a tubular steel frame for durability. It also has a 3-position adjustable handle for comfortable use. The EarthWay 6500 High Wheel Cultivator on Amazon has an average rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. Some users praise its functionality and time-saving capabilities. However, some customers have reported issues with assembly and the quality of materials. One user mentioned the assembly taking longer than expected. Some users have noted that the assembly instructions are not user-friendly. A few reviewers also mentioned the product feeling less sturdy than expected. One user reported a tine bending during use, though EarthWay provided a replacement. Another user mentioned the wheel being wobbly. You can find the EarthWay 6500 High Wheel Cultivator on Amazon. Check the product listing for the EarthWay 6500 on Amazon Inc. in description for the latest price and availability. If you're looking for a manual cultivator with multiple functions, this could be a good option. However, consider the potential assembly challenges and mixed reviews on sturdiness. If you're intrigued by the EarthWay 6500, head over to the link in description of Amazon product page to read more reviews and check the current price. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tool reviews and tips. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts and let us know in the comments if you've tried this cultivator or have any questions. Happy gardening!